Instagram, di ba? Now I understand. I saw it earlier, it was like 12k. Now I'm passing by again. Now you know why. It's no front wheel. Completely fucked. Ah man, it's very bad. What is that? Oh, that's a Motostrada 400. Motostrada. I'm waiting for the answer now. Help me get a test ride. Playing games with the cat. Whoa, scared me. I thought he was coming behind me. Fuck man, seriously. Hey.
Stuck. I ride Manila.
You like?
I saw you the hashtag sira, YouTube sira.
Ah. XCS full tank please. Thank you. I'm on low petrol. Need to save. I don't want to push the bike again. 55 XCS. Putangina. And there's a fucking queue. So fucking long. Oh god. Where's the next petrol station? Oi! How are you? I'll turn there, but the guy is there. I'll turn, but the guy is there. Oh, every morning, no? You go first? You go first? Oh, that guy. Oh, let's go. What? Redos. Why not? What if I make a Durex condom? A Durex red, no? With the pictures of Durex. That would be nice. I'm sure J-Mac would be happy. Three kids. My god. The Nmax can take a lot of people, huh? Bogey, bogey! Oh! Stupid! Very crazy. Fuck, man. That was sick. Because you ride like a dick, that's why. I see him, I was like, I slowed down a little bit because I see him going fast. I thought he's gonna cut me off. This is why. I know, it's very slow. Delivering in the Philippines be like, all good boss.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my